Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to download and install Samsung Wallet in 2025. The first thing you need to do is check your device compatibility. Your phone must be a Samsung Galaxy device running One UI 4.1 or later. Ensure you have a Samsung account. It is required for setup. Next step is to open the Galaxy Store. Tap the Galaxy Store app, which is Samsung's official app store. If you don't have it, download it from Play Store. Next, you have to search for Samsung Wallet. In the Galaxy Store, tap the search bar, type Samsung Wallet and select the official app. Next, you have to download and install. Once you tap install or update if you already have it installed, wait for the download to complete. Tap Open after installation. Sign in with your Samsung account. Follow the on-screen setup to add cards and payment methods. Next, you have to enable permissions if you are required. You can allow NFC, which is needed for contactless payments. Then you can grant location access if needed for rewards, and it's done. Samsung Wallet is now ready for use. Samsung Wallet has replaced Samsung Pay. If the app isn't available in your country, users may need a VPN or foreign Samsung account. These steps are based on One UI 627 2025 expected version. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.